Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure for the first time to introduce to you the 116 cubic inch big bore kit from Indian Motorcycle. This new kit delivers 15% more torque and 20% more horsepower over the stock 111 engine. With an MSRP of $19,999, it comes with new cylinders, pistons, and rings, a new larger 60mm throttle body with an intake manifold to let the engine breathe better. Comes with new stage 3 cams that'll give you a little bit higher lift with new valve springs, clutch springs, and of course the 116 badging that you see on the side of the motor here. In addition to the 116 kit on a new bike, it'll also require stage 1 exhaust and a stage 1 air cleaner to help the bike breathe better as it goes through. This new kit will start shipping to customers in early January for model year 17 and 18 bikes, and previous model years will be available by the end of Q1. I've ridden this myself. I've been on the design and development team for this from the start, and this is by far the most exciting news from the accessory group that we've ever had in Indian Motorcycle, and I'm excited for you guys to be able to get on the road and try this out as well.
Indian has enjoyed a great relationship with one of the top icons in motorcycling in general, a guy who's gone from action sports icon, one of the most decorated athletes in that sport and those sports, and has transferred into one of the more dominant builders now, capturing a Hot Bike Tour Championship this year. So I want to introduce Carey Hart. Carey, if you've seen, we got a video here that'll be looping today, you'll see that Carey's kind of central to the marketing efforts around the 116 kit. So we're going to have Carey talk a little bit about this kit, how he feels about it as a guy who's focused on performance. And without further ado, Carey Hart.
Thank you, Mark. Yeah, just really quick, you know, my background is freestyle motocross racing, and I'm big into performance. And since I've been working with the Indian platform, I mean, it's a great platform, it's a great responding platform, but to then step it up to the 116, and I guess I was one of the first civilians that got to ride it a couple of weeks ago. And I was completely blown away by the throttle response, the power, the torque. I mean, this is a great update kit if it's city riding from light to light, or jumping on the freeways and trying to get up to speed and hauling ass. But this platform's amazing. The motor updates are amazing, and I can't wait to put some more miles on it. Thank you, guys.
All right, so to reiterate, 116 upgrade kit, it's $19.99 retail. Dealers are prepared to obviously offer this upgrade, whether it's a bike you already have that runs the Thunder Stoke or whether you're buying a new one.